Red box around the screen.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so pretty this. I have, even though if this is actually stable, I must say that this is one of the best lens there is as relates to vlogging. You get me? Because like, yo, this is one of the best Fuji lens that I've been using for most of my vlogs. So actually going on a little road trip. I don't even know what it looks like, to be honest, because like I'm on the camera over the passenger side, but when I come out and change the lens, because actually vlogging on the lens that I'm talking about, then you will see what I'm talking about. Like, this lens is perfect for doing these type of shots. It's so wide, you get me? So let's go. All right, so this is the lens that I've been talking about. So this is the ultimate vlogging lens for the Fuji system, and I believe that the width of this, yeah man, me a forward. Yeah man, about down at the riverside now go. I'm a forward. This what in our park. When I park down close, alright? I down this in our park. Yeah man, me a forward man. Do your thing man, me a forward. So, oh, sorry for the interruption. This is like an off-road vibe. I'm actually somewhere in the Blue Mountain area. I don't know where exactly am I. I'd have to try punch it in maps. But as I was saying, this is a Fuji XF18 1.4. This is like the ultimate vlogging lens, and trust me, it is good for photos. It's also perfect for the video aspect of it. So let me swap this over now, because I'm actually using the Viltrox 27.1.2 and it's a bit too narrow for me. You see me? So if I want to come closer, like hand's length, this is how close it is. Like, it's actually like cutting off my face, like stuff like that. I love the idea of like, yo, this lens hood is pretty cool. This square looking thing, you get me? I like the idea of the aperture clicking, and all those lovely stuff. Very cool. Like, if you know about Fuji lens, you know that, yo, they're really nice. But let me switch it over with this lens and take off this Viltrox 27.1.2 and let you guys see how wide it is. Alright, this is looking pretty good. Let me just see if I can adjust the ND filter a little bit. Yes. So this is the 18 1.4 now, and I'm actually shooting at 1.4, shooting 4K, well not 4K, but I mean 6.2K, 30 frame ProRes HQ, and this is what it looks like. You get me? I can actually have it in my hand, do the vlogging idea of it. I can actually walk, and it's not that bad. But I don't really know if people actually vlog nowadays. And yo, this is actually a nice handheld vlogging lens. I don't really like the 16, even though the 16 is pretty wide enough to do all of this. But I think the 16 focus pretty slow, because I tried it before and it wasn't really my taste of a lens. You get me? But yeah, this is actually the place that I'm at right now. Put this lens down. Yeah, this is the place that I'm at right now. It's a nice little scenery. Let me just tap down a bit. Let me tap down a bit. 1.8. Yeah, this should be good. Yeah, so this is the whole idea of it. So let me actually give you some video aspect of this lens, example of just using this lens, like just enjoying the scenery of where I'm at right now. And let's go. Okay, so based on the fact that I'm using this type of lens right now, so look at this angle that I get in, the width, you get me? I have to like have the camera up on something high so I can actually get this type of angle. I don't know, but they're getting ready, so let me drive back down and see what's going on. Okay, let me just adjust this a bit. You know what I like about how I shoot these type of video? I like to have my videos as natural as possible, because like I will legit fix my ND filter, I would legit fix my camera. Don't cut out that part, just keep it, you know, raw as it is, because like this is a real world test. Well, I know what the lens is giving me. Yo, them bugger just keep on mess with me. So I'm going to test this lens out, right, on this nice scene. This is a very wide angle lens. 18 is pretty wide, as you can see the width, right? So I'm going to get some wide angle shot right here, and you guys just be the judge and tell me, yo, if you like the photos or if you like the videos, and yo, this is the niceness of this wide angle lens, and wide angle is pretty good. So